I'm Steve Debiase, my wife Lisa. I have two small businesses here in town, Revive Tile and Revive Stainless, and Lisa is a marketing consultant. We have a 4-year-old son and a dog named Kiva.
Kiva has been in our family, I guess, 6 years now, and she's been amazing for our family. I mean, she is so gentle and so kind and so sweet. What a great disposition she always has, and I don't know if I'll ever find a dog that's like Kiva. I mean, she's hard to explain, but I've had a lot of dogs in my life, and as has Steve. But she's just really special.
Well, we used to take Kiva just out in the desert. I could ride a bike and she would run along, or we would just go for hikes and she would chase rabbits. And we just started to notice that she was a little bit of a limp, but just not putting her back left paw down as often like it was tender. And that just kind of got worse and worse over time. We took her to our vet, who quickly referred us to Dr. Lertzman. You know, they just said this guy is the expert, you know, on orthopedic type issues with dogs. So great, go see him.
Steve Debiase and his dog Kiva is a very common situation. A dog who was severely affected by hip dysplasia. Hip dysplasia and the osteoarthritis that results continues to be one of the most common developmental orthopedic problems we see. And as a young dog, Kiva was already severely affected, unable to run and jump, short exercise tolerance, and pain because of progression of arthritis in the hips. And we have some remarkable ways that we can treat dogs to alleviate their pain and to restore athletic function. And in Kiva's case, we chose to do a hip replacement.
She was, we estimated, 2 to 3 years old, and just, you know, awesome athletically to watch, and we just couldn't take that away from her. And there were some pretty good guarantees that
Kiva's outcome after surgery was outstanding. To be able to run, jump, play, really without restriction with an arthritic hip.
She recovered, I mean, unbelievably. I mean, it was really, really fast. She was out of pain almost immediately, and she was back walking within days. We had to keep her from really running, you know, for a few weeks, but her recovery was phenomenal. And the best thing was she was out of pain, literally, I think, the moment she woke up from surgery. If this is what healthcare could be for the rest of us, I mean, if people took care of you and spent the time with you, like Dr. Lertzman, that, you know, the healthcare would be in a lot better place. You have a really happy dog that's had a great life, and it's all because of you know, some very detailed work that ASG and Dr. Lertzman did for us and for Kiva.